Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hashua baka company Indigo Airlines kan shimti ban punya yaki lengson kit brio nak ni ke jela lengba ka kat lengson Shillong Airport kabaran hapo Omrai Hariboy District ha ka arpo trek mentau naitong arjar kat kandai kani ka company kalawan penheru ya ka wei ka lengson jongka ha kani ka kat lengson kabadan ha Omrai kom sibenta ka jing persang ban penher ya ka lengson lengba kani ka kat lengson ha kani ka sngi ka wei ni ki lengson jongka Indigo Airlines kabawan na Kolkata bat ka baket yo menteri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma bat ki wei de ki head officer jong sarkar kalawan hiar hakakat lengson ha Omrai kumba hakapor saulai pusan kana ophai sngi hadien gani gajing persang penher ya lengson na Shillong Airport kalalong ka bayat bayat ranti klam kinu gijing thot nagaleng ka company Indigo Airlines ru hakani hi kaju kasngi klasyam ya karai ban peteng no ikajing wan shaw bat ban wan bo ikinong lait nang wan na kani gajalla banait bo tang ha Kolkata bat na Kolkata syakani ka kat lengson ha Omrai bat ka kat lengson jo ka company Indigo Airlines kandai ka ban la ban ket chi sangket ha kaju ka por tang nyo phongot kinong lait nang wan.
We have just taken the Indigo flight, which has started today from Kolkata to our Shillong Airport, and from here it's really you can say a very positive step, and I think this will be something that will really pave a way for growth of tourism and other sectors in the future in our state. It's not something that is enough. We are hoping that many more such flights will start, but the government in the past, in fact, for 1.5 years, we've been working very hard with the Government of India to ensure that more and more flights come in. Our next target, of course, is to ensure that other metros are also connected to our airport, and therefore efforts will be made in that line. But this is at least one start, and at this point in time I would like to thank the management of Indigo for having taken this initiative of starting this flight from Kolkata to Shillong, and at the same time I would also like to thank Government of India for all the support that's been given by them, and all the officials and especially the Transport Department for having continuously followed up on this process also. Therefore it's a great day, and it's a good beginning, and we hope that from the future, not only Shillong but other parts of Meghalaya will also be connected through air connectivity, which I hope will lead to more boost in economic activities and in tourism and economic activities in general. So I once again congratulate Indigo, Government of India and our Transport Department for having achieved this maiden flight of Indigo Airlines to Shillong from Kolkata. These services are meant to be on a daily basis, and I'm quite sure that they will be able to achieve that. The kind of technology that is being used today and the necessary clearances which are required, Indigo has ensured that those clearances have been taken. So even with the visibility of 1,500 meters, they will be able to land. Earlier the permissions were not there for that kind of visibility, but now Indigo has managed to get that approval, and I think that will allow the aircraft to land even with lesser visibility, which was not possible. But that does not mean, as I said, that we leave this asset which has been created just like this. And that's the reason why we are looking at all options of starting whatever airlines and whatever connectivity through smaller ATR crafts or through jet planes which are smaller in size but equally safe and equally fast, like any other Boeing airlines or Airbus, bigger planes. So therefore, we're looking at all those options. In the meantime, we are discussing with Government of India and seeing if there's a possibility to have a plan B, but that is in a very nascent stage as of now. But definitely that option is not closed. So we will look into it, but that I cannot commit as of now. But yes, in the long run, we would want bigger aircrafts to land here, and we would want the plane to be the airlines to be airport to be expanded. But as you correctly said, there are huge financial implications which the government has to recoup. We are working on it and we are looking into it. We have in fact already invested a huge amount to cut at least some of the obstructions that were there. We will try our best to go into it, but I'm sure that the courts also and other individuals will also appreciate that the amount that is involved is very huge. So we will try to put this up in front of the court also. But as I said, as of now, it's very difficult for us to really decide on the way forward. But that does not mean that we stop the current activities. So at least we should start with whatever we have, make sure that we utilize the asset, whatever we have, in the best possible manner, and that's really what we're doing right now.
Iwan lang na pokal kita mengisong ini ke flight dari Indigo. Dikasian beningkong bagi Indigo kesedang ini na po. Umroh po jungi balik syakal kata bakal dari tunjuk. Di regional lengkap lang baru Chief Minister berom ini buat ibu pat kemali nilai don ban pensingan penselur dan rujuk kor ban Aiman Sim ya ke Indigo buat ekor di pajak nang song jong ke jela ke jong. Kalau ke port biang bangi ban sedang ya ni buat ke jing talenti jong ka kini ka flight nandu nakal kita hadu ni lari ke port liru kalau ke biak nanti buat ke bajai-jai ba. Kiri kita kitchen ke ba Aiman Sim buat ngasuh bangun ini. Aiman Sim ya baru kita ba kini penon kam ya kini ka flight nak ke port. Jing don ke ni kawi kapor ke konstan tam buat ke pisah. Ka jaka bagi nyelek sudah hoti berpensiun kali arkanta siteng mentatang si kenta siteng filak poi sepo kal kata dia ke pisah pat kawi bagi pai ba lala ban kunai jaka bertulut ke bai kali nasional sudut gohti bakwan pai nang te sini jinglut ke babun dia keturuk lala pun kunai ki pai ba ke jumi dia habun kilang kan mentoi nadu ka lai kawan jongki nawan juga kai perthai nanta nak benta ki bapang ke besitom ki balik sumari ledi nak benta ki bapuli nak benta ki balik sangkai pat sabar jong ke jelaru ini kalau ke jimentoi habun kilang